One of the biggest things that attracted me to it was the versatility of it. I liked what the machine could do. We can have a snow event and I need to put the plow on it. And then we may get a warm up a few days later, everything melts, and we can just take the plow off, put the flail on with it, and we can go out and we can go cut back a canopy along the roadside. I mean, if it warms up enough and we need to sweep downtown, we can go put the sweeper on the front of it. We can go sweep downtown also. Instead of going through there with 4 to 6 guys, I can go through there with one guy in the multi-hog. It's very quick, saves on safety because I've got less people out there. It makes it easier to just have one guy that's in the multi-hog versus if I had to have guys out on the ground running power tools, chainsaws, things like that. It just makes it so much safer and it can be done a lot faster. It just simplifies things from warranty to just general, maintenance issues, or it's hard to beat, honestly. Now I can just put the guy out there at the hog and we can go to work. It's definitely paid off on that part of it.